Okay, I'm going to show you how I did to take out the right engine mount on the Hummer H3. I took out this cover that is on the front side. I found this is the better way. I take out this cover and now you can see the motor mount is on there. Has this small cover on top here. I had to take out this screw. It will go in the new engine mount. They had the hole here to put this screw when you start the new one. And you will see that the bolts is right there. The two top one will be a little easy now to take out. You see the other one at the bottom, the other one on the other side, and the bolt here that is supporting the engine mount. You put something on the bottom of the engine to lift a little bit with the lift and that piece of good, and you will have the work done. Thank you.